Hello there, this is John V, Software Evangelist at JSCAPE. The latest version of JSCAPE MFT Server now gives you the capability to perform automated data transfers with hosts that don't have a file transfer service. We talked about that feature in the post, how to perform automated data transfers with a host with no file transfer service. If you read that post, you know this can be done through what we call JSCAPE MFT Server Agents. If you haven't, you can read it now by clicking the link we've provided in the description or in the post. But in this video, we're going to walk you through the first steps needed to take advantage of that particular feature. We're going to teach you how to set up an agent service and an agent trading partner. The agent service is a service you can enable on JSCAPE MFT Server that would allow it to accept incoming connections from agents installed on one or more remote hosts, presumably that don't have any file transfer service. An agent trading partner, on the other hand, is a JSCAPE MFT Server trading partner object that represents one agent instance running on a remote host. You can only exchange files with an agent if that agent has already been associated with an agent trading partner. Alright, let's start adding an agent service now. Go to the Services module and click the Add button. When the Service Protocol dialog appears, expand the Protocol drop-down list and then select Agent. Click OK to proceed. When you get to the Agent Service Parameters dialog, specify the following. Host, this is the host name or IP address on this server that you want this agent service to listen on. You can leave this as is, in which case the service will listen on all available IP addresses on this server. Port, this is the port number on this server that you want this agent service to listen on. The default is 40025. But you might want to leave this as is as well. And then finally there's key. This is the private key that a connection with this service will use to secure itself with data in motion encryption. Note that the example _RSA key is only for testing purposes. You will want to change that before you deploy this service in a production environment. That key is sourced from the Server Keys tab in the Keys module. You can read about server keys and how to create them in the link we provided in the post or in the description. Click OK to proceed. Your newly added agent service will then be added to the list of services for this domain in the Services module. Before we proceed with adding an agent trading partner, we need to create a user account for that trading partner first. There's really nothing special about this user account, but you'll need it to authenticate the remote agent when it connects to the agent service. To clarify, each remote agent should be associated with one user account, which the agent, will then use to authenticate with the JSCAPE MFT Server Agent service. As agent user accounts are just regular user accounts, you can add them by simply going to the Users module and then clicking the Add button. Enter pertinent details like the login name and a corresponding password. I usually prefix my agent user accounts with agent so I can easily identify them from my list of users. When you install an agent on a remote host, you'll be needing this login credentials, so that's something to keep in mind. Click OK to finalize the user creation process. You should then see your newly created agent user account among your list of user accounts. Okay, we're now ready to add that agent trading partner. Go to the Trading Partners module and click Add. Select Agent from the Trading Partner Protocol drop-down list and then click OK. Give this trading partner a name, say TP-agent. After that, go to the Authentication section and select the user account you created earlier. In our case, that would be Agent User 1. So when a remote agent connects to this user account, that user account will then be associated with this particular agent trading partner object. Consequently, any file transfer workflow you create that involves this trading partner will in turn apply to that remote agent and its corresponding remote host. Click OK to finalize the trading partner creation process. Your newly created agent trading partner object should now be added to your list of trading partners. That's it. Now you know how to set up a JSCAPE MFT Server Agent service and an agent trading partner object. In our next post, we'll show you how to install an agent on a Windows host and have that agent connect to our agent service, so stay tuned for that.